Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add your custom drawing tool to your PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to Microsoft PowerPoint, open it on your device like your desktop computer, navigate to presentation, and next guys what you want to do is click into the draw tab here. Now let me add a new slide first, like this one here, a blank one, so that we may use this as an example. So navigate to draw here at the top and you will see these preset drawing tools. So we got a pen, a pencil, then we got, for instance, a highlighter or a marker like this, and so on and so forth. Now you can create a custom drawing tool and add it to that list so that you may have, it's like bookmarking a drawing tool you would like to use frequently. So click into add here and select your drawing tool type first, like pen or brush pen. I will go with brush pen. And after that, customize it. For example, you may customize the thickness here. Let me use a very thin one like this. Select the color. You can click also, or you may click into more colors to pick one from that menu here. Let me go with a blue like this. And if you need the hex code for the given color, simply enter it here. And yeah, click into OK. And that is going to add the custom drawing tool to your menu here. And you can always customize it even further by clicking into that small arrow down icon here. And after that, start using it. For example, let me draw a smiley like this. And there you go. If you'd like to delete it, again, click into that arrow down icon, select delete tool, and you will return to these default presets here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.